Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics. Lovely spring night, spring is in the air, and the MG Midget has sprung on Hardy Classics. And look at it, what a lovely little car for these summer, spring nights. It's a 1972, so it's a very early one. It's a round wheel arch model, so the rear wheel arches are round, and it's a 1275. So this car, this Midget, has everything going for it. It's the right year, it's the right style, and it's the right engine. And I think it's the right car. Normally when I describe these cars, I'm on the fence with a lot of them because I don't really know too much about them, but this car I do know a bit about. And what I do know is it's had a restoration, obviously at this age, and it's been done really well. Underneath the car is really solid. It's had new cills, it's had inner wings, it looks like it's had wheel arches, but everything has been done really well and solid. Not to Concours standards, but structurally solid, and you can see the work that's gone into it. Now if you look underneath the wheel arch, you'll see it's all been wax oiled. It's had a heavy coat of wax oil, and that's not to hide anything, that's just to protect everything under there. The whole car's been wax oiled because when we got it, there was no underbody protection on it. So what we've done is we've clear wax oiled the car. We haven't used a coloured black one or a white or red or whatever stone chip. We've just used clear wax oil so you can see what repairs have been done in the past. So before we get a look around the car, let's have a look at some of the paperwork that comes with it. So the first thing we come to is the logbook. So there we have the logbook. I'm not going to go into too much detail with that. We have a couple of restoration manuals. Always coming helpful with a classic car. We've got this huge pack here that contains a spare set of keys. Another thing that will come in helpful with any car, let alone a classic car. And this pack. Now this pack contains, first of all, the MOT certificates, and it's got MOT certificates going back, well, to the old type MOT certificate, and it's actually MOT till the 13th to the 3rd, 24. Now the car's at about £15,000 in bills spent on it in this file. I'm not going to go into all the bills, but it's had various things like the engine rebuild. There's a bill here for the transmission rebuild, paint work, brakes. The best thing to do, like I say, is after you've seen this video, come and have a look at it, because it is such a lovely car with such a lot of paperwork. So let's have a look around the car. As you can see, the paint work, it's lovely. I think the colour's Glacier White, and it really suits the car. The car's on little wire wheels, and we've had these refurbished. They've been powder coated, so they're nice. We'll go around the front. The chrome on the car, the chrome's lovely on the car, really nice. There's hardly any pits or blemishes on it. Walking around the car, same on the other side. Round to the back of the car, bumpers again, the little cow-horn bumpers there, lovely. We'll open the boot while we're here. So we've got the boot. In the boot, obviously we've got a spare wheel there, spare wheel cover, and you can see, looking inside, how solid it is. If you lift the carpets up, there's no rot or rust. Like I said, it's been restored, but it's been restored properly. Right, open the door and we'll have a look inside. Again, if you look at the door shuts there, they're really nice and crisp. The doors are solid. Everything's nice. There's no screws or anything sharp sticking out. It's all been done, again, like I keep saying, nice, but it has been done nice. Interior wise, no rips or tears. Lovely and clean in there and smart. The dashboard's been refurbished. That's smart, it's nice. Carpets are good. In fact, the carpets look brand new. We've got a video of it with the hood up. I'm not going to lift the hood up but the hood itself is actually new. And a good way to tell you is, show you there how clear the hood is. It's got a new hood with it. Again, that's nice. New seat belts. I'm going to pop the bonnet and I'll show you the little engine in it. Oh, there it is. Ugh, big red thing in front of my eyes. Yeah, and the bonnet catches, I always forget them. It's on this side. Right. I'm going to hold that because it's a bit wobbly on there. I don't want anybody getting hurt. So there's the engine, 1275A series. Twin SUs, K&N filters. Lovely, lovely little engine. Doesn't smoke, rattle, bang. There's receipts for the car, I think, for £15,000. Something like that. It's had an engine rebuild and it's been done really well. If there's one thing I'll say about the car is, like all these sports cars, the more you drive them, the better they get. And that's true, definitely true. Again, just to do the work under that engine bay would cost you thousands. So, there you have it, the MG, not concourse. I've got a concourse one, but it's not a concourse price. It's very, very reasonable for the money, and you couldn't buy a base car and restore it for what we have that up for sale. So there you go, the MG Midget at Hardy Classics. There you go, takes the key. So if you like this car, or any others we have for sale, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, check our website out, or give us a ring, send us an email or WhatsApp, get in touch, or even better, visit us, have a cup of tea and have a look at the car. Bye bye now.